right. Okay. Let's see. I have no experience investing in properties. I'm very new. Just recently joined the Triad RIA and have been going to their meetings. I have no investment properties in home buying. Is it more expensive for investors? What kind of money do I need to start? Okay, good. Yeah. So the truth of the matter is I'm 100% privately funded, and I haven't put any money into my deals at all. All right. I raise capital in order to buy my property. Right. So you don't have to actually have money in order to be like me. You don't. Right. What you have to do is you have to learn how to raise money. All right. And so y'all are all more than welcome to hop on my fund call. I'm going to go, I pitch my fund every Monday night right after this. So I'm about to get off and go and do that. You can go to stacyrossetti.com/fund and you can see how I pitch to raise money, because my job as a commercial real estate investor is to raise money, right? And so let me stop this real fast so I can get out of here and I could say goodbye to everybody. Okay. My job is to raise money. So all I'm doing all the time is pitching and finding money. All right. Because I don't want to be limited to like 1 or 2 deals. Right. So you have to learn how to raise money. You have to learn how to find money in order to buy as many properties as you want, whatever that goal is. It could be one. If you only want one and you only have that much money, and then more power to you. But if you want to buy, 5 or 6 or 10, commercial real estate is expensive. It's expensive. It is not like residential real estate. Now, residential real estate is expensive as well too, but it's a little bit different. Now, the one thing I love about commercial real estate is that people are willing to partner. People are willing to work with you. There's a lot of people that have money. So the goal for you is to find those people. If you don't have any money, you could either wholesale or you could be the boots on the ground person. I have a 21-year-old guy that doesn't have hardly any money, and he already has put like 5 offers in on properties, and he's partnering with other people in the coaching program in order to buy his facility, and he will be the boots on the ground person for that facility. And that is how he's putting in his equity into the deal, right? You can do that as well too. There's a lot of different ways to do this. All right. There's a lot of different ways. So your job is to make sure that you check out my course, which is the super simple self-storage, so that you can learn how to get started, especially right now, because my doors are not open to the coaching program. So buy the course, super simple self-storage. That's on my website. And then hop on the on the Monday night webinars, so that you can listen in to me just like rambling on about storage investing. And also, anytime I do some sort of a pitch or something like that, just hop on and listen, and anybody can come and listen. I'm here to teach and hold people's hands and guide you and be there for you. Okay.